GeoRoots Editor helps you view, edit, check, and export GeoJSON data for EUDR workflows. To start using it, drag and drop a GeoJSON file, select one manually, or start an empty project. After loading, your data will appear on the map. You can choose one of 4 base maps that suit your needs. The editor has 3 working modes: View, Edit, and Check. In View mode, you safely inspect your data, pan, zoom, and click features to review information without changing geometry by mistake. In Edit mode, you can modify geometry and attributes with tools like Select, Add Remove Vertex, and Edit Properties. You can also enable snapping and adjust snap radius to make cleaner boundary edits and reduce manual alignment errors. Additionally, there are powerful auto-clean features. These will be explained in a separate video. In Check mode, the editor runs a geometry quality analysis and highlights issues directly on the map. The Data Quality Report summarizes issue types such as invalid geometries, duplicates, self-intersections, holes, slivers, and overlaps. After closing the summary, we can inspect the highlighted individual issues by hovering over them to reveal the validation hints. If needed, users can export the dataset, including the quality report, to pass them upstream. Otherwise, users can initiate the dataset addition to resolve the geometric issues. It's important to note that no edits are made to the original file. Use the export feature to save the edited copy of the dataset. This has been a brief introduction to the GeoRoots Editor tool. Check out our follow-up video where we explore the auto-cleaning features in more detail.